Did you know that regular eye checkups can improve your eyesight? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. Common causes of bad eyesight can be rooted in habits and lifestyles as well as linked to pre-existing health concerns. Too much screen time, poor water intake, poor diet, lack of sleep, working in dim lights for longer period, all of these can be the reason for poor eyesight. Hence, don't take your eyes for granted. Take these easy steps to keep your peepers healthy. 1. Nutritious diet. Macular degeneration is a condition in which the macula, the part of the eye that controls central vision, deteriorates. Vitamins A, C, and E, as well as the mineral zinc, contain antioxidants that can help prevent macular degeneration. Food sources for these important nutrients include a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits, such as carrots, red peppers, broccoli, spinach, etc. Stay tuned for video on foods that improve your eyesight. A few other nutrients are also keys to improving eyesight. Among them are lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids found in the retina. These carotenoids help protect the macula by improving pigment density in that part of the eye, and absorbing ultraviolet and blue light. You can also find them in leafy green vegetables, broccoli, zucchini, and eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin can also be taken in supplement form. Before you take it, don't forget to ask your doctor. 2. Stay fit. Wondering how fitness helps eyesight? Do you know diabetic retinopathy? Type 2 diabetes, which is more common in people who are overweight or obese, can cause damage to the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. This condition is called diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic retinopathy causes the very small arteries in your retina to leak blood and fluid into the eye, harming your vision. But diabetes isn't the only disease that can affect your vision. Or conditions such as high blood pressure and multiple sclerosis can affect your eyesight. Inflammation of the optic nerve, for example, can cause pain and even complete vision loss. While a disease such as multiple sclerosis can't be prevented, you can try to manage it with healthy habits and medications. 3. Wearing protective eyewear. Protective eyewear is essential if there is a risk of chemicals, sharp objects, or materials such as wood shavings, metal shards, or even a stray elbow during a basketball game entering your eye. Whether you're playing racquetball, working in your garage, or doing a science experiment in school, it's vital that you protect your eyes with appropriate eyewear. 4. Protect eyes from sunlight. Do you think sunglasses are just for looking cool? No. Wearing shades is one of the most important steps you can take when it comes to improving your eyesight. Sunglasses help protect your eyes from conditions that stem from eye damage. These include cataracts, macular degeneration, and pterygium. Use sunglasses that block out 99 to 100 of UVA and UVB radiation from sunlight. You can also wear a wide-brimmed hat since they can also help protect your eyes from sun damage. 5. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Wondering what is 20-20-20 rule? That means every 20 minutes, you should stop staring at your computer and look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. If you work at a computer for long stretches at a time, the strain caused to eyes can be especially intense. Your eyes work hard during the day and need a break now and then. Hence you need to apply 20-20-20 rule. 6. Keep your hands and lenses clean. It is always said to always wash your hands before touching your eyes or handling your contact lenses. Wondered why? Your eyes are especially vulnerable to germs and infections. Even things that just irritate your eyes can affect your vision. Hence you need to keep your hand cleaned and handle contact lens properly. 7. Quit smoking. You know smoking is not just bad for your lungs and your heart, but also your hair, skin, teeth, and just about every other body part. That includes your eyes too. Smoking dramatically raises your risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Fortunately, your eyes, lungs, heart, and other body parts can start to recover from years of tobacco-induced harm within the first hours of quitting. And the longer you can avoid cigarettes, the more your blood vessels will benefit and inflammation will ease off throughout your eyes and the rest of you. Living a healthier lifestyle and protecting your eyes from the sun and foreign objects can't protect against every eye condition. But they can all lower your odds of developing a problem that could hurt your vision. So viewers, how did you like the video? Stay tuned for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.